This video is a guide on how to access a Google Analytics demo account. First is that you need to go to the official Google Analytics demo account page. Then access your account. From there is that we have here the account selector in analytics where you can select organization and account links. This is the link right here. Next is to click on the access demo account button. This will automatically add the demo account based on the Google Merchandise Store data to your Google Analytics account list. Then you should be able to explore the data. You can navigate through reports like audience, acquisitions, behavior, and conversation using real e-commerce data. Then use this to practice creating custom reports, dashboards, and segments. Notice that the demo account is read-only. You cannot make changes that affects the data, and it's perfect for learning, testing Google Analytics features, or training.